So we have the bracket that I made, and as you'll see, when you depress the brake pedal, that top part there comes down. So it actually hits this little square here, and it pushes the bracket. And that is likely what caused the other one to be all bent and banged up. Because whoever worked on this car last didn't pay attention to a lot of things.
They were pretty dense.
Yeah. So, hopefully, if I just trim that little square off, it won't hit anymore. And we have a way sturdier and nicer brake light switch bracket. Alright guys, so let me get this out of here. So, I have that trimmed. I don't know if you can see. There. See, it's trimmed there, so when I push the brake pedal down, it no longer hits. But now, when you actually put the brake light switch, it's gonna hit the switch. So, yeah, we gotta figure that one out. I'm not really sure how we're gonna do that. Like, no matter how far, even if you get it all the way in, it's still hitting, and you can barely depress the brake pedal, so we gotta figure that out. Yay.
Yay? Yay, yay?
No, not really yay.
Boo.
That's more like it.
Boo. Hiss.
What do we say?
Whoever worked on this floor was very, very special.
I agree.
I want to beat them.
So with a little readjusting, I've made it work. We have our connections, which we'll fix that. But we have our connections here. Just had to angle this in a little more, and now nothing hits.
Here, I'll show them the back. We'll show them that the lights are good. Hello, everybody. We're back again, as Xander's already showing you guys. And 3, 2, 1. On, off, on, off. Yep, and they blinking because you push them really fast. So, on that note, oh, let's check those as well. Make sure that we're good. Let me know when you're ready.
Is it not doing anything?
Nope. Nothing on the other side either. Try our hazards.
Is the key on?
Okay, so
Only left. Brilliant.
we had a complete brain fart.
That's what we call it.
Well, I get to call it a senior moment because I'm technically a senior.
You're like 100.
Hey, I look pretty good for 100 and a lot of Bondo and some spackle. Nobody will ever know my age. Let me know when you're ready. Go ahead. Yep, passenger side blinker's good. Hold on, wait. Go back to the passenger. We're good. We're good. Let me check the front. Go to the front. We're good. Go to the front. We're good. All right. So a little bit of the problem is solved as we're getting there. I'll give you guys back to Xander and he can show you the rest of what he's done.
That's everything.
Adios, amigos.